Review to version 497.
It's taking longer to open the app.
I know. 2 minutes in black screen, 30 seconds on the first one, and 1 more minute on the second. Way too long.
In general, comics are working well. Editing 6 frames is still problematic, but you can work better. When working, the app overheats. So you kill the app, and it works. Well, this is not really new, but users can watch ads to add assets. Background music is wrongly placed. Exporting time has increased as well. So pay attention with this version because it has a slow performance and constant crashes. It overheats, running out your battery. Thank you for subscribing and thanks for watching.